Hello and welcome to Bar Tips and Tricks with Unfiltered Hospitality. My name's Josue, and today we're going to be discussing pour spouts. Sometimes you have a bottle like the Patron bottle that have an extra wide opening. Now the issue here is if you use a regular pour spout and you try to pour, it comes out, right? So they've made pour spouts that are a little bit thicker. Now the problem with these is that when you put them in, they tend to stick out a little bit, just like that, you know? So if you're grabbing a bottle in a hurry, sometimes you pull the pour spout out, right? It can also cause a little bit of leakage, which is what we're trying to avoid with the pour spout. Simple solution for this: grab a scissor, take the pour spout out, you peel back these little rings here, and you wanna make a cut right here on the second ring. You wanna cut all the way around. It doesn't have to be perfect. You just wanna remove the majority of this part right here. And then it should look like this. Now, you wanna put it inside, whoop, and see? Fits perfectly. Follow us for more bar tips and tricks.